piping hot, kidney beans, beef, chili, pasta, loads of cream, super spices. I am loving that, loving it. How you doing? Today I'm going to make this pasta bake. We've got ground beef in there, or minced beef, whatever you call that. Chili beans, you know, it's kind of a chili sauce on there, cheese and cream. It's very creamy as well. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started on this. So, first of all the measurements of the ingredients are below in the text. So, a can of plum tomatoes, some bell peppers, I'm using yellow and green, of course you could be using different colours there. 1 can of kidney beans that I've washed nicely in some cold water. 1 onion, some fresh red chili on the top there, and underneath that our minced beef. 1 tablespoon of garlic, and in here I've got 4 spices, about a teaspoon each. Oregano, cumin, sweet paprika and chili powder. We're going to start this off with some oil, add some salt and pepper, and then we can move on to the next stage. Okay, so I've got a pan here, I've got some olive oil in there, you could use a different oil if you want. And in goes our minced beef. There's not loads there, I've got about sort of 400 grams I think. What we're going to do is we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes on a kind of fairly lively heat. Okay, so that's starting to cook nicely. At this stage we can drop in our onion and our garlic. And let's go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Wonderful stuff. I'm going to drop in our cooked beans, our bell peppers, our fresh chili, and it's up to you how much you put in. Our spices, let's take a look. Equal parts oregano, sweet paprika, chili and cumin powder. In it goes there. To that I'm going to get some black pepper, some salt, going to cook this just for about 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll add our tomatoes. Fabulous. Okay, 1 can of tomatoes, plum tomatoes, in that goes. We'll just sort of break them roughly with our spoon here. We're going to turn the heat down to just above a simmer, and we're going to let this go with a lid on it for about 6 minutes. Just while we're finishing off our meat sauce over there, get your pasta ready. I'm using this kind of 3-colour pasta, penne. You can use anything you want really, it's up to you. And this is what we're going to cook it in. So what I like to do is measure it out in there, you know. Otherwise you end up cooking way too much or way too less, you know. So you can kind of measure it out a little bit in there. Leave a little gap there so you can see it's got, you know, it's not completely full. I'm using glass, you can use ceramic or you can use metal. Let's get back to the cooker. Okay, so I've got the lid off there. That's looking beautiful. We're now going to add our cream. Now I'm using a thick cooking cream. You can be using any type of cream you want, thick or thin. I've got like 250 mLs there. Let's just mix this in and cook it just for 2 more minutes. Okay, so off goes the heat. Now what you can do is you can pour your sauce over your pasta, but what I like to do is get my pasta in, then give it a nice mix, and then it's going to go back into the glass oven-proof baking tray. Okay, and that's a perfect fit, as you can see. Right, get some cheddar cheese, or any cheese in fact you like. I'm using this red cheddar. Nice layer on there. Now you need to have your oven on full blast. Get your oven nice and hot, maximum heat. grabbing this last bit of cheese here. And pop this in for about 8 to 10 minutes. I like just to finish mine off with some chili flakes on there. If you wanted, you could have put some fresh coriander or some cilantro, whatever you call that, in the mix of the sauce. But that's all good. I'll see you when that comes out. Okay, there you go. Straight out the oven, still bubbling away. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to really enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.